In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode in CapCut. Dark mode is a great way to reduce eye strain, especially during long editing sessions or when you're working in low light environments. It also gives the app a sleek, modern look that many users prefer. Whether you're new to CapCut or just haven't explored its settings yet, I'll guide you step by step through the process. And if you don't already have the CapCut app, you can download it from your device's app store and sign up to get started. Now, let's dive in. First, open the CapCut app on your device. This is the starting point for accessing the settings we'll need. Make sure you wait for the app to fully load so you land on the main dashboard. Depending on your device or your internet speed, this might take a moment, so be patient and allow everything to display properly. Once the app is loaded, look towards the top right corner of your screen where you'll find your profile icon. This could appear as a generic silhouette or as your personalized avatar, depending on whether you've customized it. Go ahead and tap on that icon. This is your entryway to all the settings and preferences that are tied to your account. After tapping your profile icon, a drop-down menu will appear. From here, look for the section labeled Theme. Now, if you don't see it immediately, don't worry. Take your time and move your finger or cursor slowly through the menu options to locate it. Once you've found Theme, tap or hover over it to open the available choices. Here's where you can switch between light mode and dark mode. To enable dark mode, simply select the dark mode option. What this does is transform the app's appearance into a darker color scheme, which is easier on the eyes and provides a higher contrast interface. As soon as you make your selection, the app should update instantly. You'll notice the panels and overall layout turning darker. This is your confirmation that the change has been successfully applied. Keep in mind that this adjustment only affects the visual appearance of the app. It won't interfere with your projects or your workflow. If, at any point, you want to go back to light mode, you can simply repeat these steps and select light mode instead. This flexibility lets you switch back and forth depending on your preferences or the lighting conditions you're working in. And that's it. You've now learned how to enable dark mode in CapCut. With this simple tweak, you can enjoy a more comfortable editing experience tailored to your needs. If you have any questions or tutorials you'd like to see next, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.